Hello friends and hello student. My name is Shubsijala. In this session, we learn the twin animation in Android. So first I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here I open Eclipse Edit bundle to type our Android program. And first step in window and Android Virtual Device Manager and select my AVD and start and launch. So our device is ready. Yes, that takes some process and after complete this progress bar, yes, that is appear. So yes, I take minimize and close this and now in file menu in Android, that is a application project, then new window is appear. So here we can twin animation. So there are three types of animation. So that is a view animation, property animation, and drawable animation. So first view animation, there are two sub branch, and that is a twin and frame by frame animation. So here we can twin animation, and twin animation we can say that is a alpha. So fade in and fade out. So let us how step we have to complete. So yes, that is a twin. So that is a twin, yes, and that is demo. So twin animation demo. Next, that is our apps name, that our work page folder is yes, that perfect selected. Next, yes, icon and background color. Next, blank activity. Next, main activity, that is our Java file, and activity underscore main, that is XML based layout file in Android. And finish button I click. So that takes some process. You can look here, and that after complete, yes, now our apps is created. So yes, first, yes, what is a animation? So I think you have to know the animation is a method, or we can say the technique in which figure are manipulated to appear as moving images. So like we can rotation, scaling, translation, zoom in, zoom out. So that all four tag is set is main tag, means root tag, and rotation, translation, and scaling we can apply. So here we can use as a alpha tag, yes, and that we can fade in, fade out. So first step, yes, there are four steps. So first step, we can take the image to our res folder resources. So what to do? So yes, you can look here, that is a res folder, and we can create, you can directly create here, or also in go particular drive, and you can create the folder. So in that first step, we can create a folder, and that is a drawable. So that is a, fix, yes, drawable. You can give different name, but drawable is perfectly that suggested. So drawable under res folder that created, yes. Now we can take the image. So I go in my PC, and that is a picture folder, and yes, image, and here that is a, we can take, yes, cola, yes, that image one. So I copy and paste to our particular drive. So that is a better. So you can look here F drive, and then Android 2021, and then twin, yes, that I press T directly. So you can look here, that is a, yes, now that our folder, and then res, yes, our drawable folder, and I paste the image. So you can download or any picture that in your PC or drive of laptop. So you can paste that image picture to your Android project res under drawable folder. So that we can, yes, here there is no explanation button, so we can refresh button. So yes, that image is appeared. So that is a first step. So drawable resources we have to use, and now we have to take like image NVIDIA, and that is a image button or image view. There are two possibilities. So we can take image view, and we can place that asking the image. So that is a M1, that is our image, and you can look here, that is the image is appear, but that size is very big. So what to do? So in image view, we can change that width and height, so that we can give like 200 dp. Yes, and also height is also 200 dp, so that perfectly. And you can look here, that is source. You can also take as a, that is a static way drawable resource, but you can also take dynamic way. Yes, and now what to do? So first we can take without button, yes, directly. So that is the first step we have to complete. You can look now, our image is very perfect size to our requirement. And now second step, we can create the XML file. And which folder? So yes, again RES folder, we can right click and create the ANIM folder animation. So that four first letter, and create one folder, and that name ANIM animation, first four letter, and finish. And next step, right click, that is a how to create XML file. Yes, ANIM folder, right click again, so that we can create, yes, new and Android XML file. So that asking the name of file, so we can give the fed that underscore in Fadein.xml directly. And you can look here, alpha, rotation, scale, translation, and set that root tag. So that is a we can take. Yes, next. So yes, that is finish. So XML file is created. You can look here, that is a file is appear. And now here we can apply some attributes. So that we can set some attribute. So interpolation, yes, or fill after we have to. So that is also fill after. So you can look at source automatically, and here one blank page, and here we can provide true false. So I give the true, and then we can take alpha tag, yes, and then attributes. So we can interpolation. So interpolation we can take as a accelerator. So like in the car, we can press our accelerator. So that is a interpolation accelerator. Yes, next what to do? So yes, now we can control pace bar and from alpha and to alpha. Yes, so from alpha 0.0, yes, and then to alpha. So 1.0, and then duration. Yes, so we can say that 1000. Yes, so we can set first four property and close this stack. Yes, so that is a we can apply. So our second step, first we can take drawable resources, and second step we can create the image. Now third step. Okay, so you can also take one button and then click event to and apply, but here I directly take the image, that on click. So yes, we can go in Java, so we can write some code. So that is a third step. To we can take a reference animation. Yes, that is a you can look android.view.animation, and an, that is a reference. And image view, I take also image view reference like img1. Yes, and now what to do? So you have to know, we can take img1 find you by id, so that we can take r.java to id image view. And then typecasting is needed. So yes, typecasting perfectly. Now what to do? So yes, now we can that is third step, we can apply the load, or we can start coding, or and there are two line only. So yes, image one and set on click listener, and you can also use the button at click event. Yes, that two possibility. So yes, we can listener, and then semicolon, then apply the folder import. Yes, so all error is gone. Now what to do? So here we can use an, that is our animation reference, and animation load. Yes, that is a utility package method is there, animation load or load animation. So you can look here, that is a animation utils, and then load animation. Then two argument we have to pass, get application context and id. So r and that anim, yes, that our folder, you can look, that is a resources, and then that our fed in, that our XML file name. So yes, now what to do? So yes, image, and then start, yes, that start animation, that is a method. So view class that method, parent class, and we can apply in the image view and apply the am. So that is a third step. We can write the coding, so load the animation. So I can save, yes, and that finish. So that is a very easy. And you can also take one button and then we can apply the fade in and fade out. So we can take two separate buttons. And yes, let us check. First I run this, what happened. So yes, run as Android application. So you can look, our device is ready. I open the lock, yes, and wait few seconds at display. So yes, that on process is, yes, but the device cancel, yes, timeout, request timeout is complete. So yes, what to do? So yes, I close and again run. So new devices appear. So yes, I run. So you can look now that yes, now new that device, but they take some process. So what to do? So yes, we can create new XML file to our fade out. So what to do? Same process, yes. So we can after change the image file, yes. Again, we can, yes, that is second part, means that is we can take a second effect, fade out. So again, in new ANM folder, right click new and Android XML file, and then set tag is selected, and here we can say that fed underscore out dot xml file. So next, yes, and finish. So what to do? So yes, I copy and paste. We can change the uh, to and from alpha, that is a, so yes, I copy all that part, yes, copy and paste to fade out. So yes, I copy and paste, but here in reverse. So one is a from and zero is a to. So that reverse order. So let us check. So that very easy. So fade in, fade out. So let us check. Yes, now our app is running. So yes, here you can say that tween underscore demo, that APK is installed. And now that I think very quick, our application output is appear. So yes, so we can create the new file, and we can change just the file name, that is effect is changed. And if you apply two effect at the same time, then take two button, and that you can both button you can mm, separate the coding of fade in and fade out. So zoom in, zoom out, so many, yes, that is effect is possibility. So now yes, device is ready, and that is, I think, process is complete. So wait few seconds. So after, yes, now succeed, you can look here, that is a output. Yes, now that our apps is appear, yes, you can look. So now I click, so that is a fade in, yes, that is a effect. So now you can, we can change our XML file. So first is fade in, so that is our code, and now I can change fade out, and from alpha 1.0 and to alpha 0.0. So in fade in we can give the 0.0, and from and to 1 point, so reverse. Yes, let us check. So what to do? So yes, in go in main activity.java file, and we can change the file name, just only. So you can look here. So now I can change. So Control S, and you can look here, both files apply. So I save, yes, and we can run again our apps. So you can look what effect is changed. So that is our previous output. Now that is, yes, that gone. So yes, that again, that request time out, what to do? So yes, that is again asking the same. So I again close that device. So sometimes that is a run not properly, means that is, yes, now that launching, yes, you can look. So that takes some process again. So what to do? So yes, now I can give this both effect one by one. So what to do? So yes, we can change our coding, means we can take two button. Yes, so here one and second button. So we can apply the both logic as separate. So what to do? So yes, I take two button, and two button we can coding is same, but we can change that. So fed in, so btn, we can say that fed in, yes, or just that fed in, or perfect. And here we can text of first button, so that is a fed in, yes. And now Android colon on click, so you can look, and that is btn fed underscore in. Okay, so that is our event name. And same process to second button, so that is btn and fed out, that is our id. And then you can change the text, so that is a fed out. Okay, and yes, here we can applying paste, no problem. And again that take the click event, so on click and btn, that is fed underscore out. So now what to do? So yes, that perfectly. Now we can give the like public void btn fed underscore in, and to class we can pass the parent class object reference in this package. And now what to do? So yes, that error is gone. So yes, we can take these two line coding to first copy, cut, yes, I cut and paste to here. And then yes, that I change the file name, that is a in. And then again copy these two line and button click event, and you can change here out, so perfectly, and here also out. So we can take two separate button, yes. And I remove this set on click listener, because there is no require now, yes. So control s, so yes, and we can remove this listener. So there is, we have to remove that click listener, set on click listener of imageView. Yes, now perfectly. So yes, our device is ready. So yes, that is a, because we have to remove. Yes, so let us, I open the log and see the effect. So yes, that is a uh, image is that fed out. So fed out, yes, we can fill after, yes, that we have to not provide, yes, but yes, fill before or after, yes, that we have to provide. So that is fed out, and we can provide the effect fed in and fed out. So when we can fed out, so that is a disappear image. So yes, so fill out true, and that accelerator speed, so all are well perfectly. So let us check now what to do. So yes, first we can take two buttons, save. And then here so many properties. So first we can apply in the fed in, yes. And there is two other property we have to set, and that name is android colon, and then repeat count, and that is a infinite. And then repeat mode, yes, and that is, we can say that restart or revert, yes, both is applied. So let us start revert. So let us check, I again run. So in one button we have to apply these two property. Also you can apply in the uh, fade out, yes. So let us check what is effect. So yes, that is perfectly. So yeah, now that is device is not cancelled. So yes, very important. Yes, now that appear. So look now over. Yes, ready. And yes, but yes, okay. So we can change the design. Yes, so I click. You can look here. and then click to out. So that is a gone. Yes. So what to do? So in the design view, yes, first in design view, that is a, we can change that button ID, but that is a above the our image view. So what to do? So you can look here that button one. Yes, you can look here. That is, but we have to change that ID. So BTN, and that is a fade in. Yes, and also here BTN and fade in. Yes, so I can save and let us check that design is perfectly or not. So you can look now that is perfectly to our requirement. And out also we can take, yes, so field after we have to true. Yes, that is a field after we have to provide the true, and that also was perfectly. So yes, this attribute I set to here. So yes, and here Android dot fill after. Yes, and that is true. And then here we can change, yes, X letter or this letter also that possibility. So let us check. I remove his property here, that child, and apply to parent. So yes, you can look interpolation, yes, here, and that is a X letter. So let us check what happened. So again, I save and run. So right click, yes, and run as Android application. And now you can look that is perfectly. So that is previous output, but now we can change. Yes, that is a again timeout request. So yes, now I can close and run again. So that take time. Yes, that is appear very quick, but so wait, yes, so I can summarize all that things. So there are 4 steps we can complete our process. So first step we can take as res under the drawable and take one image. That is our first step. So res folder you can right click and new and folder you have to create. Yes, that I just revised. There are 4 steps. So first step we can take as a folder, yes, and then drawable and copy and paste one image, and then we can in media and just media and image and media image view we have to take. So that asking the image source, that is a source, yes, src source property, and static where drawable that resource, and em1 that is our image view. And then second step res that right click nm and we can create the xml file fade in and fade out. So here repeat count, repeat mode, yes, and you can also apply to fade out, that is a repeat count and repeat mode. And then that xml file create. Then third step we can create the animation both object. So fourth step we can just, yes, apply the logic, yes, load, that is a I think that you can also complete in 3 steps, yes. So create xml file, that is our second step, and load that coding we have to apply in 2 separate button, and directly first we can take in the image. So yes, now I think our device is, yes, you can look here install. So there are only 2 line of coding. So after you can only take one button and you can change your image, that is also possibility. And no any button and image set on click listener, and you can write 2 line. So that is a animation, that is a view. You can look that package. So that is view package animation, that class is, and then same package animation utils utility. So that method is load image, load animation, and there are 2 arguments: get application context and our file, and start that control to. Yes, now I think our output is ready. So let us check. So yes, I think that take perfectly. So device is, yes, now you can look. So first, yes, that is a perfectly. So yes, we can change the infinite and revert. So we can restart also. And now fade out. So you can look, that is yes, now that not gone. So we can fill after, yes, that vary. So we can give in the parent, so that perfectly you can look. So that is a fade in effect and that is a fade out effect. So both are different. And what to do? So yes, here we can infinite and revert, but I give the restart. What happened? Yes, I again check. So restart. Yes. So here only infinite repeat count and here restart. And same we can apply these two property to here also. So yes, Android and then repeat count infinite and then again we can say that that is a repeat mode and there are two, so we can restart both. We have to restart. So again save and run. So yes, if device is not selected same, so that is not problem. Yes, I think that is a select the same device. So yes, now that, but now again that is a fail to work. So yes, we can. So what to do? So again wait and yes, that takes some time. Yes, devices appear, but that takes some time. So yes, so I think I revise all that things. So yes, here can apply the fade fade out effect. So first we can, yes, I perfectly. So you can that interpolation you can give the set egg or also in the child, but that is a better. And also you can change that same technique to here in the fade in. So that perfectly affected. So I remove that property to here and give to the parents. And fill is we can provide in the parent, a child. So here interpolation. So that's perfectly, and then accelerator and fill after we can provide to here. So you can look fill after or before, there are two. So after, yes, and is true. So save. And now I think our device is, yes, that taking some time. Yes, now that install and take very quick fast. So yes, that two effect fade in fade out in Android. So you can take so many buttons. So here you can apply the effect of fade in and fade out. So yes, now that our device is ready, so you can look. Yes, now I think I open the lock and yes, now that yes, here process is complete, but wait few seconds. I think now that display. So yes, I think so that is our design view, and yes, now that successful. So now think, now our output is coming. So you can look now that device is ready. Yes. So fading. Yes. So now I click only one time because that is a infinite. Restart again and again. So only one time you can place. So that is a repeat count and repeat mode. And same I click here. So you can look, that is a same infinite. So repeat count, restart. So both effect we can continuously, only one time you have to click. So yes, I think that is finished. I revised two times because that is request timeout for device. So now I cannot long up this session. So yes, any question regarding this definition, you can write in comment section. I give the definitely to answer you. Subscribe my channel Ashok Sijalakadi. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.